Sarah's mom's baked 42 cupcakes. 2/7 of the cupcakes were frosted blue. How many cupcakes were frosted blue? Okay, to solve this kind of problem, we need to understand the concept of fractions. Well, in this problem, we have our fraction being 2/7. Okay, whenever you see a fraction such as 2/7, you have to understand that this kind of fraction, I'm gonna make that a little bigger so you can see that, is a part to whole fraction. The 2 on the top is our parts. The 2 on our top is the parts, while the 7 on the bottom is the whole. The best way to solve this kind of problem is to create a fraction bar, and it's the easiest way to solve this problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a fraction bar to help me solve this problem. So this is my fraction bar. This is my fraction bar right here. And this whole bar represents everything. Well, what is everything in this problem? The problem says Sarah's mom bakes 42 cupcakes. So that is the total amount of cupcakes. So this whole bar actually represents all 42 cupcakes. So this whole bar here is all 42 cupcakes. What the fraction is telling us to do is create 7 whole pieces and take 2. 7 whole pieces. That means we're going to take this whole thing and cut it into 7 equal pieces. Let's go ahead and do that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 equal pieces. I know they don't look equal, but let's pretend they are. We took all 42 and cut it into 7 pieces. Now here's the thing. You need to know how much each part of these equal. All of these together is going to equal 42 cupcakes. But each piece of this whole fraction bar is equal to parts of that cupcake, the 42 cupcakes. So what we need to do is divide this 42 by these 7 pieces. Let's go ahead and do that. If we do 42 divided by 7, each one of these pieces is worth 6 cupcakes. I'm going to write 6 cc for each part. That's worth 6 cc. This is also worth 6 cc. All of these parts, each, are worth 6 cc because all 7 of these parts are all equal. And if you add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, they all should add up to 42. Let's just make sure. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That all adds up to 42 cupcakes. Okay. The 2 up here represents the parts we need to take. Well, there are 7 parts. Let's just take 2. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to highlight it orange so you can see. And I'm going to take this part as well. I took 2 of the parts. 2 of these parts together is 6 plus 6. In total, they give me 12 cupcakes. So that means when they ask how many cupcakes were frosted blue, 12 cupcakes were frosted blue. And that is because, and I'm going to make that bigger just so you can see the answer. That is because we took the 42 cupcakes, split it into 7 pieces, and when we took 2, it gives a total of 12 cupcakes. 12 cupcakes that were frosted blue.